So today I'm going to show you how to delete a site and recreate it. First of all, to recreate a website, you need to have the base templates. So these are the base templates. So anytime you make any changes to the base templates, what you would like to do is you would like to export this template. So whenever you export the template, here's what you should do. You should use a previous export, change the name over here to whatever you want. I like to usually give it the name of the template. I copy this and then I use the base template, the last one available, and I do a next, and I don't make any changes over here, nothing, absolutely no change, nothing. Just take the base template, just do a next and then hit next, and that's about it. So when it exports, it will tell you that the zip is created, and once the zip is created, after it gives you the message, so you have to observe the messages. If it gives you some kind of a message, the application is restarted, so you have to redo it again. Otherwise, if it is successful, it will say it has exported, and this is the same zip file. Take the zip file now. Once you click on finish, and then place it in whatever template it was there that we exported. So for example, in this, what we did was, so I did it for Felicity, so I would just go ahead and replace the Felicity zip. That's all I would do, and I would just say save. Now, in order for you to understand whether this site is available, I would hit import just to check whether the site is there. So I would hit Felicity. So this is Felicity, and today we exported 1657 2000 2013 03 19. So I'm actually looking for 19 1657. So I don't see it yet. So it takes about 5 to 7 minutes for it to appear. So just keep hitting refresh, or I would just like to go ahead and do something else and come back. Or just refresh it. And then let's say Felicity, look for it. It's still not here. Let's try again. Import objects, Felicity. It's still not here. It's still the old one. So I see it over here finally. So this is Felicity 2013 03 19 1657 dot zip. So now you can start creating sites using Felicity. So that's basically how I would go about and do it. Now for the normal sites, so once we do it on Summer Creek and we install all the sites, so we are done with our base template. Now using our base templates, you'll create all the child templates. Now once you create the child templates, when people want to install, let's say people want to install Ophelia, so they would like to make sure that they use the correct export. So since we are making daily changes, what we will need to do is go here and this time export. So I have done all the way up to French country, so let's just go ahead and do Mahogany. So here's what I would do. So first time when I'm exporting a site, since I've deleted all the other sites so it doesn't remember it, so I'll copy this over, and then what I would do, just to make it faster, I would just say select all everything uh, for today, and then I would hit next. So this would be a little bit faster. So if you get this message like this, the worker thread has been aborted. So let's start over again. So let's go to Mahogany, export, and this time again, let's say copy it, use deselect objects. This is just so that it will choose faster, else it will keep selecting every single item. And then I would go over here, deselect all the objects, remove these, go to documents, export the document, remove these two. And then I would go to administration, I would click on roles and all. So let's start over again. So first of all, I hit deselect all objects. This is very important. You have to click first deselect every single object. And then all you need is files, global folders and site folders. So you can uncheck everything else. And then you click on documents. And this gives you the structure. Therefore you need to select export documents, history, relationship, permissions. And then you go to roles. And over here you can export, you can just click on all and export the rows. That's about it, nothing else. And then you hit next. So make sure nobody's hitting clear cache or anything when you're doing this process, otherwise you'll have to redo it over and over again. So export, import, be extra careful.
That's a good question. It was called me.
There you go. So now that has been exported. Once again, I go to the templates, I click on Mahogany, and I place the new Mahogany template over here, and I save it. That's it.